Private Money 101. Structures I use so everyone wins. I've raised millions in private capital and never cold DM'd a single stranger. The reason is simple. I structure deals so the lender wins first. So that and the money lines up. I'm Joe Holmes, broker, mentor, and investor. I've used banks, hard money, hedge funds, and a whole lot of private lenders. If you're trying to scale or you want to lend safely, here's the playbook. Use private money where speed matters. Flips, wholetails, and bridge loans into DSCR takeouts. Skip speculative land and long holds. Private capital is about velocity. Fast in, fast out. Paperwork is protection. You need a promissory note and a deed of trust, recorded against the property, and hazard insurance, naming the lender as loss payee. Sometimes a personal guarantee. All funds move through escrow. No kitchen table deals. The paperwork makes it real and keeps friendships intact. Show the cushion. Target 70 to 80% of the ARV, including the rehab. Walk lenders through the math so they can sleep at night, even if the deal hiccups. Safety first is how you build reputable relationships. Offer clear payment options. Some lenders want monthly interest-only checks. Others prefer accrued interest at the end. Minimum term 6 months is common. Be transparent about rates and timelines and give real examples. Communicate weekly with a quick update, photos, budget versus actual, and any change orders. Surprise is the enemy. When lenders know what's happening, they don't panic. They just cash checks. Always have 3 exits: sell the flip, refinance, and DSCR, or wholesale the contract. Options equal confidence. Red flags to avoid: wiring outside of escrow, no recorded deed of trust, vague collateralization. If it smells off, walk away. Protect the money and the relationship. What do you do next? Book a session and I'll show you real closed deals. Payoff. Private money isn't begging, it's building safe, reputable opportunities. Get that right and you'll never run out of funding because lenders will chase you to place capital.